Hi, welcome to Smita Data Mining. Today, my video is about K-Meadows problem. Let us look at the problem. K-Meadows algorithm is more robust to noise than K-means algorithm. A meadoid can be defined as that object of a cluster whose average dissimilarity to all the objects in the cluster is minimal. For a given K is equal to 2, cluster the following data set. That is the question. Here it is given points up to 1 to 10 and xy. So if you are doing, you come along with me. So I will read all the problem. Points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, x 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 7, y 6, 4, 8, 7, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us go to the solution. Let us choose that coordinate 3, 4 and 7, 4 are the meadoids. We are considering Manhattan distance here. Suppose considering the Manhattan distance metric as the distance measure, if we calculate the distance from each point, m is equal to AB and n is equal to CD, then Manhattan distance is calculated by distance is equal to absolute value of a minus b plus absolute value of b minus d. First we marked that points that we take as meadoids. Okay, 3, 4 and 7, 4 that I marked in that figure. Here C1 is equal to 3, 4. C1 is equal to 3, 4. So you add the column C1, 3, 4, everyone C4. Then another column distance we have to put and cost we have to put. For each one we have to find the Manhattan distance. Okay, here first row you take, then 2, 6, 3, 4. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. So the Manhattan distance is A minus B plus B minus D. That's its absolute value. So we get cost as 3. Likewise, we have to calculate all those. As actually we are taking the second row and eighth row, we need not rewrite in the next column. So that second row and eighth column that we removed from here. Then we calculate C2 7, 4. Likewise, here the C2 is changed to 7, 4. That cluster we have to find the distance. Here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 6 and C is 7 and D is 4. So absolute value of first row 2 minus 7 plus 6 minus 4, 7. Likewise, we have to calculate all the Manhattan distance and find the cost. Okay. Then compare cost of C1 and cost C2 for every I and select the minimum one. Then you have to compare each row. Okay, for first one we get from C1 we get cost as 3, isn't it? From C2 we get, what is the cost? We get 7. So we can say that 3 is less. So we put it in cluster C1. Likewise, you have to compare each cost C1 and C2 and select the minimum one and put which cluster, whatever it is. Likewise, we get the column IXY cost cluster C1, C1, C2, C2. Okay. Then the clusters are C1 group is 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 7, 3, 4, C2, 7, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 5, 7, 6. Now, calculate the cost, which is nothing, the sum of the distance of each non-selected point from the selected point, which is meadoid of the cluster it belongs to. The total cost is equal to cost of 3, 4, 2, 6. For each one, you have to find the cost. If it is in cluster C1, you have to take that 3, 4. Within cluster C2, you take the coordinate as 7, 4. Okay. Likewise, it is calculated. Total cost is equal to cost 3, 4, 2, 6 plus cost 3, 4, 3, 8 plus cost 3, 4, 4, 7 plus cost 7, 4, 6, 2 plus cost 7, 4, 6, 4 plus cost 7, 4, 7, 3 plus cost 7, 4, 85 plus cost 7476. When you get the value 20. Now let us choose some other point as the medoid of instead of 74. Let us randomly choose 73. Therefore, the new medoid set is 34 and 73. Okay. Now the C1 is 34. You calculate, you get the cost like this. Then for C2, you are taking 73. 73, the C1 is changed to 73 and you calculate using Manhattan distance each row. Now to compare the cost of C1 and cost of C2 for every I and select the minimum one. Then you also get C1 and cluster you got. For 26 you get in C1 and 38 C1, 47 C1, 62 C2, 64 C2, 74 C2, 85 C2, 76 C2. Then clusters we put C1 is 26 38 47 34, C2 74 62 64 73 8576. Then calculate the total cost as usually as we done earlier. A cost of 3426, cost of 3438, cost of 3447 plus cost of 7362, cost 7364 plus cost 7374, cost 7385 plus cost 7376. You get the value 22. The total cost when 73 is the medoid is greater than total cost when 74 was the medoid earlier. Hence 74 should be chosen instead of 73 as the medoid. Since there is no change in the medoid set, the algorithm ends here. Hence the clusters obtained finally are C1 26384734 74, C2 cluster is 746264738576. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me through comments. Welcome with the next video. Till then, bye.